So, Project Driver was a nightmare. We're taking a little break, and we're gonna start getting RX-8's motor ready.
This is the intro. Did you say hi to everyone?
Oh, what's up? Oh, damn, that's the part that I messed up at. Gunners, YouTubers, subscribers. Edit that, flip that, put it in the front, start it off, set it off.
All right, now. All right, guys. All right, guys. Yep, all right, guys. All right, so. Okay, boys. You got something to say, 40?
Yeah. Hi.
Welcome back, Gunners. We're here. Project Driver's on timeout. He's on timeout.
Been misbehaving for
See
like
that?
2
He's
weeks
been
now.
misbehaving. He's parked outside. He's in the doghouse. So, what are we doing? We know that the RX-8 Trappy is close to completion.
killing it.
Spoon is murdering that car. Murdering that car.
he's doing his
So
thing.
now what we're doing is we're putting on, we have an extra plate that Collins had sent us, so we don't have to kill time. We'll just replace the other one. Anyway, long story short, we're setting up this long block with transmission today, so that when the RX-K is here, half the work is done. We can begin powder coating the subframe, etc., etc. Let's install this Collins adapter kit, which you
Beautiful
could
piece.
use.
Look at this
What
thing.
could you use on here?
So-
here it is.
N54. I guess that's the trans that the drifters like. That BMW. I don't know if it's 5 or 6 speed.
So N54, S52, and RX-8 transmission adapter plate.
And
all
everything's
in
like
one.
everything's labeled. You know, he has the RX-8 dowel.
Yeah.
BMW dowel. Nice.
Yeah, Collins Performance Technologies.
Yeah.
This guy's the man, bro.
Amazing
These guys
piece.
have helped us
Hell yeah.
every way possible. And if you're looking to convert with a K with rear wheel drive, this guy makes every plate. So let's get these 10 hex keys on. Very easy. Just line up your K series bolts from the plate to motor. We're gonna tighten up those suckers. Oh man, I think they forgot how the flywheel looked too. Trav.
Nah, that flywheel. That's what I'm most excited about.
I can't wait. Work. Let's get it. Using our gun to hand tight.
Hand tight feature.
Yes, sir. And then do the rest. Right.
Milwaukee, man.
What a great.
Yo, I was
tool.
on IG, and you know when you get hit with the promos,
Yeah.
Milwaukee's got a battery powered jackhammer trap
Oh my
that
god.
breaks up concrete. Battery powered.
Yo.
Quietest. All the awards. He got all the awards. Yo, they're killing it, bro.
Whoever Milwaukee is, that guy's a genius.
Yo,
He's
shout out
killing
to Milwaukee.
Shout out to
Probably not a
Milwaukee,
person,
man.
Trap, it's probably like a corporation, but in
Nah,
my
we'll
head,
just-
I want to think of Milwaukee as like
Like a guy with a flannel shirt.
yeah, and it's green and black, not the typical red and black. You know, he's a little
Nah, I
little different.
think it's red and black. Chop. Look at this. Look at the color of his tools. Probably came up with the concept
Yeah,
in the
off
mirror.
his flannel. He
Off
looked
his
in the mirror
flannel.
one morning.
Spandex on. Suspenders on.
Over the flannel.
Yes.
That's a killer.
Over
He's a
the
killer.
flannel.
No, he's a killer.
Yup.
He's
And
a
the
killer.
jeans that he hasn't changed those jeans in over 30 years.
30 years.
And
Wow.
when someone talks to him about clothes, he says, "I got shirts older than you." That's who Milwaukee is. Thank you, Milwaukee. You're the man, bro. Play it on.
You guys ready for my favorite part? Trappy. Trappy. Look at this unit.
And
Look
it's
at this
so
absolute
light.
unit.
It's so light too. You think, look how bulky it looks.
And it's super
It's
light.
super light. And it comes with the pilot bearing that you need, and it comes with all the bolts that you need. How sweet is that? We're gonna torque this sucker down to what? You want to go to 90?
Yeah.
Yeah, we'll go to 90 on these suckers. Oh, I can't wait to see that clutch kit set up on you. Give me a little teaser, pause. It's like pause, though. Quick,
Quick little tease. Nah, that's all
Oh.
you're getting. That's
Trappy setting up that pilot bearing. I just want to give them some news here, Trap. We're flooded.
yeah.
Literally flooded.
Yeah, we got a flood issue going on.
Whenever it rains
But
up
that
there.
doesn't stop us.
Yeah. We got a big issue, guys, but hey, we're gunning, man. We got our parts here, we got our mortar here. Staying optimistic. 24 socket on that pilot bearing, nice and easy, rubber mallet.
Rubber mallet, no metal to metal.
No metal to
I'm
metal.
scared. Might need that metal now.
Oh yeah. The might need that.
Hold up.
Find the screw. Oh,
I'm getting it.
No, check the back side. It has a stopper.
Oh, it has a
so you
stopper.
want just check the back side first. Oh, you're golden. You're on the stopper. Oh no.
A little bit more?
Yeah, definitely a little bit more. Yep. I think you might need a smaller diameter. You're gonna start hitting here now, little trap.
Yeah.
So you might need like a 22. I don't know.
Well,
what do you think?
This is almost dead on, so let's
Wanna go something a little bit smaller, Pauls?
try it.
Let's go. I'll be right back. So there goes a 21 millimeter half inch.
This might need metal to metal.
I hope not.
Yeah, no, it needs it.
Let me see. Check the back of it. Rather be safe than sorry. Just a little bit more. It's got to reach that stop inside. See that wall.
Yeah, I see it.
Not bad.
Not bad.
We'll get there. That's money, Trap. That is money. Let's get it. Oh, we're taking 2 bolts. We're just going to dry run these in. Pause. Just so it can sit onto the crank. Just get this guy to sit nice and flush. See that? It's driving in to sit on the crank. In the back, you have a pocket on the flywheel that's going to allow you to go into the crank. And then we'll start torquing these up with some blue thread lock. Thread lock on. We marked the 2 that we drove in with a silver marker. So those are the ones that we have to take out after we torque all this up. And then we'll add some blue thread lock onto that. We're going to 90 pounds on this guy. 90 pounds. We'll take our 2 out now. Yeah, that's it. Yep. Hey, quick mechanic tip, Trap.
What's up?
Every time you play with like a 19-12 point or a 17-12 point, you always put your hand behind the gun because these guys are known to strip.
Yeah,
So it's a quick tech point right here. Matter of fact, pause, grab that gun real quick. As you're tightening that up, put that gun to 2 so we don't go over the torque. And now put your hand behind right here, guys. And that's how you're supposed to tighten and loosen whenever you're doing flywheel bolts. Just a quick tech tip, nothing special. 90 pounds, Trap. Look at this setup I got.
Oh, what a unit.
Look at this setup I got.
What a rig.
Ow!
What a rig. Try to see if you can get that on the stand, Trap. I got.
No, I'm good. I like this. Feel the pain. We're going to 90. Ow! Yo, like right at 88, it hurts. Pause. We're good though. As soon as the camera goes your way, every time. Beautiful. Ready when you are, Trappy.
All right, I've said it 400 times. I'm gonna say it again. Greatest clutch in the world, action clutch.
Yes, sir. Helping us out with this project here. We're running an Iron Man. And this is going to be a great daily driving feeling type of, oh my God, and it's sprung. Now, let me tell you the difference between Action and everyone else.
Tell them.
This is a sprung disc. They built covers for them. So every true mechanic or every true builder knows
What happens to those springs when they don't have a cover on them?
they pop out and they cause a lot of issues. Great concept. Well, not concept. Some people have done it in the past, but this inverted,
Nah, this is great.
like this is
Tell them how the
beautiful.
Dominicans used to do it. Tell them.
Oh, so Dominicans back in the days used to tack weld the spring on each end so it doesn't pop out.
Yeah.
That's when ACT used to sell them. Whatever. But here we go. Big guys going on. Thread lock on the pressure plate bolts. What do you got, Trap? You got our alignment tool?
I'm sorry. I'm staring at
That
this
faces
thing.
out.
Yeah, this is flywheel side.
Yep.
I'm just Trap. This is really good
It's a
construction.
really
here,
nice
bro.
clutch, man.
Like it's.
No, these people are great, bro.
Nah, they
I've
did their
never
thing.
had a problem
job.
with their clutch.
Nah, I love it.
Oh, our post lady's here. What she got? Those were our mirrors, Trap, that the gunner Scent.
OEM-EG ones,
OEM-EG, and he painted them for us. He works at a body shop. So we've got to take off the spoon style ones from PD.
Yeah.
And send them those.
You wanted those, right? Nice. Yeah.
So, remember, flywheel side, going on to here. And I'll start getting these bolts ready. Give me a second. I can't really record. I want to do this right. I don't want to mess up. So I'll be right back with the pressure plate on. Shout out to Konig. Supporting, man. They helped out with some rims for the RX-8, man. Huge shout out to them. Also, what's great about this deal with working with this company was I told them that I'm not doing a deal without some kind of help for the gunners. So they're going to help me out and let me pick one set to give away when it's time for the RX-8 giveaway. I just wanted to show them some love, man. Konig, if you're watching this vlog, they asked me to be on their podcast too, which is awesome. I can't wait to do that. If you're listening to this, man, thank you so much for the opportunity. I appreciate all the support. You know, it means a lot when a company like you reaches out and wants to help. Big shout out to Matt too from Super Street. Pressure plate is on. Clutch kit is on. We're cleaning the fork over there. We're gonna put the throwout bearing. We're a little skeptical about this stand because we were supposed to get one built from Vane Engine Stand, but I'm pretty sure he's pretty tied up and busy. We're hoping that this transmission is not that heavy, but we're hoping that it doesn't tilt it back. And if it does, me and Trappy will definitely figure out a way to rig that unit on. This was annoying me so much that this cover was just like a bare metal. So I got here early this morning, sanded it down for about 10 minutes, prepped it, sprayed some acetone on it to clean it up. But look at that look now.
Oh, it's a unit. Clean.
It's really, really good, but I was excited to get this done right here.
Looks good with the valve cover.
Yeah, right? It's not tying down all the way. Got a fresh 10 mil, Honda 10 mil. It's gonna go right here. That's good.
The contrast of this motor.
Can't wait for them to, maybe we'll bring that idea that we were talking about on the ride home yesterday with the pie cuts. We'll leave it there, but.
Do you think you could catch this camera if I throw it at you and keep the roll going? I was thinking that's how I wanted to start ending clips, like throw the camera up and then I'll let you grab it and then I'll pick right back up.
Nah, I'm not risking it. If we had the new camera that we want to order, that's in the future, I would say do it. Cause then after that, bro, we ain't got no way to show the content.
We'll be back to iPhones.
Word.
We'll be taking iPhone.
That's a fact. Transmission's on. Got a little leakage back there. We don't have our.
This is a rig trap when it's all said and done.
Yeah.
We got two cards supporting it.
I don't think one card's gonna do it.
Nah, I think we might be able to get away with finding a spot for it, and then just maybe putting a jack stand.
Yeah. But
Just
we greased the throwout bearing. We greased the fork, cleaned everything out. It was money, and honestly, it bolted right up.
Yeah, that was an easy install.
Really easy. I'm looking on this side trap, and I believe, yeah, I can get a 14 to go on here. So one of those long 14s you got up there, pause. I think the shorter one. See, you need a copper washer too.
Yep.
I mean, not a copper washer, but you need a washer set up on there. And yeah, we bolted in right here.
That's nice.
So, really important information. If you're keeping up with this vlog, I'll give you a really important piece of advice. You're going to need an MX-5 slave cylinder, or else it's going to hit the plate.
Yeah, this is like just there, like rubbin's racing.
It's perfect. It is. It's the one that you need. So that guy's gonna get put on with some hex keys, and we're golden. Really close, but it's what Colin suggested, and we're sharing that information. So transmission is on. leaking back here a little bit. I think it's gonna have to stay on the 2 parts, Trappy.
Yeah.
But looks great. Yeah, that cover's a world of a difference. You went crazy again, didn't you?
Yeah.
So Trappy took an OEM harness, basically stripped it down and reloomed it. So this is basically on the RX-8 is what you'll see. This is going to be the front of it. So it's going to be nice and clean. Got some nice tubing here. Plugs are all cleaned up. What is this? Oil pressure switch?
Oil pressure switch, but I don't know where we're going with it yet. So that's why I left it open.
Yeah. All right. We'll probably put it on this side or something.
Yeah, on this universal unit here.
But harness came out great. Now, the reason we're not finished is because we need the intake manifold so we can figure out how to wire up the injectors, how to wire up the throttle cable, you know, the TPS, I mean, map sensor, etc., etc. But
Injectors.
yeah, injectors.
Wait.
Motor looks really good on this stand, Trap.
Great.
Looks really, really good. You want to get your thumbnail on? Okay, get your thumbnail on. How are we
Yeah.
going to do a thumbnail? Hold on.
I got you.
No, I wouldn't stand on it.
Why not? You don't think so?
No.
Nah, this will definitely take a standing. Watch this.
Trap, this might be a fail.
No, I guarantee it's not. This definitely could support.
Oh my god. Are you sure?
Yes.
No, 100%. 150%.
Oh my god. I can't even get that thumbnail.
You can't get that in the frame?
Hold on, I'm gonna try to get it in the frame. Ah, the door is open. It's killing the lighting. Let me try to get you right here. All right, I might make that work. You're a sick bastard. Okay. Jump! Don't jump! Coming out good, guys.
Nah, man.
Coming out good.
I'm happy as hell today.
A lot of hard work, man. A lot of hard work. That's a drip. Don't worry about it. Okay. I'm liking the progress today, Trap.
We killed that.
You
today,
signed
Trap.
us in. You might as well sign us out.
Damn, I forget how you do your outros. But did y'all like the video? Because y'all be acting mad stingy with these damn likes like they take them out of your phone bill or something. What's up with y'all niggas, man?
For real, right?
Like the damn video.